Hello friends, I'm Ananya and welcome to my channel Homework with Ananya. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you about a very interesting site which is indianculture.gov.in. So let's just go to the website. Okay, the link of this site is available in the description box as well as in the comment section. So you can check it from there. Okay. So that's how the site looks like. Like here you can see the Karsha Monastery of Ladakh. Okay, and so on you can see many things like Kuchipudi dance of India, a classical dance form, and ancient manuscripts, and many things. So under this you can see categories, new editions, freedom achieved, did you know, stories, external links, Ministry of Culture organizations, and partners. So we won't go to the partners one. We will discuss till Ministry of Culture organization as I'm just first telling you uh, something about the site. So on this site you can you can learn about India, the forts of India, textiles and fabrics of India, snippets, intangible culture, heritage, food and culture, rare books, e-books, manuscripts, musical instruments, UNESCO, photo archive, gazetteers, union catalog, Indian national bibliography, historic cities of India, and much more you can know, and also about the Constitution of India, video stories, and like this. Okay, and so in the categories, if for example I go to the food and culture, okay, if I go to the food and culture point, then it will ask you that what you want to know about the food and culture of the India. Okay, like for example, you want to know about the evolution of Indian gastronomy or spices and herbs, or about food and festival, rare texts and cuisine. Okay, so just click on that particular option and you will find about it. Okay, so first going to the spices and herbs. So when I click on it, it will load and then a new page like this will open, and you can know about whatever spice you want to know. Okay, if for example I want to know about some other spice, then you can just, or I want to know about more spices, then you can just go to the page number 2. How? Here you can see downside number 1 and number 2. So right now we are on page number 1. When we'll click on this number 2, then we will get to the page number 2. Okay, and so see, you can see some more spices. Okay, spices and herbs. From here, if you want to know about any other thing of the categories option, you want to go on any other option like on manuscripts, if for example you want to go, then you can click on it from here directly. Okay, and then it will just load and it will take you to the manuscript page. See, like this, it like you can see that the page has been opened, and here there are many pages. Okay, you can go on the page on which you want to go. Just click, like right now I have clicked on page number 4. Okay, so it's the page number 4 here, and if you want to go to the home page, then just click here and you will get to the home page. Okay, it's really simple to know about the site, to know about the things on this site. And right now, as you can see here, we get on back on the home page. And if we go on the new editions, then simply just click on it, and you will just get to know about it. And here you can see that as I have clicked on the Constitution of India, so it's just loading, and you can see the first page of Constitution of India, right? And I'm just see here Constitution of India, and in the form of PDF you can see it. I'm just zooming it. Just see. So this is the Constitution of India. Okay, and this is the 11th page of Constitution of India, from out of 141 pages. Okay, so we are getting back to the main page, and just like if you click on it, then this freedom achieved, then you it will take you about journey to India's independence, and about the free it will tell you about the freedom struggles, symbols and spaces. Okay, about the historic cities, and forts and textiles. Okay, so about the rare books and images, archival records, right? And so it will tell you, means it will tell you all about that. Okay, and when you will get back to the home page, then it will also show you about the like here it's showing about, did you know in, you will sorry, he is the site is showing about the Mathili Sharan Gupta. Okay, from 1886 to 1964, and in the stories you can know about, like these are some stories about whom you can know, and these are some of the external links. So like museums of India, when you click on it, it will open in a new tab, and you will get to know about the museums of India. Okay, when you if you click on explore museum, see here, it's really interesting, and just see, it's the National Museum of New Delhi. Just see, you can explore the museum of New Delhi. Right, like this, you can, with the help of your cursor, you can just see it. Okay, you can see how I can explore it, and that's not like we can just move around or something like that. Okay, just see, I can just go ahead. If I want to go like forward, then see there are arrows, so that we can go ahead in the museum. Okay, and see, like this, it just take a little 1 or 2 seconds and then take you ahead. And so as you see, as you have seen about this amazing website, so whatever about you want to know about whatever thing of India, so mostly everything is available here, right? And it's really interesting to see the sites, as we get to know about many new things. Okay, so I recommend you to just go and check the site and tell me in the comments that how you do you like the site or not. Okay, so we'll meet very soon in the next video. So till that, bye bye and have a nice day.